Rickrolling has been one of the best memes of all time, and as a 3D artist myself, I wanted to recreate Rickroll in 3D using just a mobile phone. So, this should be an interesting project. Let's jump into the video. First of all, I downloaded a 3D model of an Iron Man. I imported the 3D model in my 3D animation software, Prisma 3D. The 3D model is already being rigged, so I can do whatever I want with this 3D model. Since in Rick Astley's music, there is Rick Astley himself, a microphone, a background, a camera, and a floor. So I had to model everything from scratch, including the background, the floor, the camera, and a microphone. Then I added textures, lighting, and environment to the scene. After making the environment, I downloaded the Rickroll music from YouTube, and I'm only interested in first 7 seconds of this video cause I don't wanna get a copyright claim from Rick Astley. Then I converted the video into an image sequence of 73 moving images. The next step was to line up Iron Man frame by frame with Rick Astley. The last step was animation, and it took me a whole week to animate everything frame by frame to line up everything with Rick Astley. Enjoy the result.
And now, an exclusive sneak peek of Avengers 5. Click here.
I am Iron Man.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like 3D animation, 3D games, VFX, and everything related to 3D. Huge thanks for Tyler Green for participating in this video. Be sure to check out his channel where he makes amazing 3D games from scratch. If you wanna learn about 3D animation, I have made a complete video on how to animate using your mobile phone. The link is in the description. As always, thanks a ton for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.